You're gonna learn the step-by-step method for making money just copying and pasting images for free. Step 1. Sign up to this brand new website. Step 2. Download a free image. And Step 3. Get paid for every image you download today. The social media presence, you don't need fancy skills, experience, or equipment. And you don't need to invest a dime. This is all completely free and completely beginner-friendly. Just grab your device, make sure you have a working internet connection, and let's dive right into it. If today's video sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get right into it. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. The first thing you want to do is go to Google and search for Instagram business quotes. You're looking for basic images that have a business quote, a motivational quote, with a luxury background, either of a car or somebody in a business suit. So find an image like this, and these are basically meant to help people, give people tips, and what we're gonna do is start making money from them. So all you want to do for this step is find an image like this on Google. Find multiple of them. Then you want to go to Step 2. For this step, you're going to find the luxury image you can download by going to this website right here called pixels.com. You don't have to create an account. All you have to do at the top is search for something like luxury car, luxury home, etc. And you're basically going to start seeing images around luxury stuff. So find an image on here that you can download and put your own quote on it. I'm going to go with this very first image, but it really doesn't matter what image you pick, as long as it looks nice and motivational. Just click download on the image you want, then we're going to the next step. For step number 3, we're actually going to customize the image so that it's our own and so that we can monetize it. So head over to canva.com, and here you want to create a free account. Then once you're logged in, click on social media, and you want to click right here where it says your story. Click on this template right here, and you're going to see the graphic design editor pop up, where you can start creating your own custom image. Once you're here, you're going to go to your downloads, and inside of your downloads, you're going to drag and drop the image that you just downloaded on Pixels on the screen. You're going to see it pop up, and all you want to do next is start stretching out the image so it fully fits the screen. Then click on the image itself. Click on Edit Image at the very top, and what you want to start doing is customizing the filter of the image. Check out and play around with these options. I'm gonna go for vintage feel. I'm basically making my own background for my image, so again I can put my own quote on and start monetizing it. For the quote, we're going to add some text on using the quote that we found in our Google search. So go ahead and click on text right here, and then you're going to click where it says add heading. And after that, you're going to see the text added on the screen. So what you're going to do inside this text box is simply go back to the image that you found on Google and copy and paste the quote that you found inside here. Then you want to change the text color, and again, you can just play around and make the whole thing look nice. Once you're completely done with this, you can add your own little tag at the bottom. For example, maybe your username or maybe a nickname that you have. So you can copyright this image to your own page, and so people can see that this is your own original content. Once you're completely done, you're going to click on Share at the very top and click right here where it says Download Image. Then after that, we're going to post your image on this brand new website that's getting over 200 million visitors per month. It's not Instagram, it's not Facebook, it's not Twitter. This is a completely brand new platform that you can start monetizing and start making money from before anybody else. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The website we're going to be using today to make money is called Imgur.com. This is a brand new social media platform very similar to Instagram, but completely brand new. On here, you basically share images, quotes, viral videos that can help you make money. So now you want to sign up to Imgur and create your own account. Once you're logged in, you want to give your account a good nickname that revolves around money, business, motivational quotes. And you're going to click at the very top where it says New Post. After that, what you're going to do is drag and drop the image that you just created using Canva and upload it on this page right here. So you're gonna see your image pop up, and the first thing you want to do inside here is give your image a unique title, and after that add tags inside your image so Imgur knows exactly what your account and what your image is about. Our image is about business and money motivation, so for the title I can write something like unlimited mind equal unlimited income, and for the tags I can put things like small business, business quotes, and so on. This is really important because this is how Imgur will show your post to the correct people. Once you're done, the last thing you want to do is fill out a description at the bottom. And here's exactly where you're going to start getting paid. So all you want to do first is add a quick little line describing the image. So never let other people's limits become your own. Then at the very bottom, here's how you're gonna make money. If you're someone that wants to earn extra income online, get started using your phone. Learn how. And inside of here, we're gonna feature a product that's gonna start paying us to do this. You're gonna have one or two options. You can either sign up to a survey website like inboxdollars.com, click at the very top where it says Refer Friends, and inside of here, you're gonna copy your referral link. This is basically going to be a referral account, so anytime somebody signs up with your referral link, you're gonna start getting paid inside of your account. So you're basically referring people to a survey website that they can use to make money from their phone from their computer. Or the second option you have is going to this website called clickbank.com and featuring an actual training or a course that's going to teach them how to get paid on social media. So you're basically promoting other people's products, doing affiliate marketing, and earning a commission every time someone signs up. So you can either use a survey website or use an affiliate account. All you're gonna do is click on Promote right here. Click on Create Hub Link, and you're gonna see the special link tracked to your account. Now you want to copy this link, head over to bit.ly.com, shorten it, then copy the new shortened affiliate link. Then you're going to paste it here in the description. Now, whenever somebody sees your post, they'll go down to your description and they're going to be able to see the product that you're going to make money from. That is basically going to help them get an online job or help them sign up to a survey website. So I hope you guys can see exactly what we're doing. We're creating our own custom images, downloading images online that are going to start making us money by monetizing them on the right platforms and using products that are going to start paying those commissions of either $30 commissions, $60 commissions, or some of these can even pay you over $100. So make sure you feature the right product. And once you're done, all you want to do is click at the very top post to Community. You're going to see your post added onto your account, and you can also see how many people have actually seen your post. So whenever somebody clicks on your post, they can go down to the description, see your website link, click on it, sign up, and you're going to start getting paid. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.